Are you ready to unlock the secrets of career advancement in an AI-driven world? As AI improves at generating content and automating tasks, human skills gain importance. Contrary to popular belief, the value of certain capabilities increases, not decreases. Today, we'll explore the essential soft skills that AI cannot replicate and how they lead to greater pay and career growth. Let's start with judgment. This skill means making informed decisions based on unique situations. AI can analyze data, but it struggles with the nuances of human context. Those who demonstrate strong judgment reduce risk and build confidence. This trait is crucial for promotions. Next, we have communication. It's not just about speaking well, it's about clarity. Miscommunication costs companies time and resources. Professionals who simplify complexity and clearly convey messages gain significant value. AI can draft, but it can't connect in the same way. Then we discuss emotional intelligence. Reading emotions and understanding the human element in the workplace enables smoother collaboration. Professionals with high emotional intelligence can detect tension and diffuse situations, boosting their career prospects. Ownership is another crucial skill. It signals reliability and initiative. When employees take responsibility, they become indispensable. Higher paying roles come with greater responsibility. Ownership reflects readiness for that. Conflict navigation is the next skill. Those who handle disputes calmly earn trust and respect. They work through tensions with clients and team members, ensuring projects stay on track. Leadership presence is about how you impact others. It's not simply about having authority, it's about trust. When people feel more secure and guided by your presence, you increase your value. Next, we highlight adaptability. The workplace is evolving, and those who shift with its changes without losing quality gain a competitive edge. Companies value individuals who remain versatile as environments shift. Lastly, let's talk about taste. This skill informs quality judgment. Recognizing what is polished versus what is mediocre can greatly influence outcomes in any profession. In summary, as AI takes over repetitive tasks, it's the human skills that will drive promotions and higher pay. Strength in judgment, communication, emotional intelligence, ownership, conflict navigation, leadership presence, adaptability, and taste will set professionals apart in their careers. So, if you want to succeed in the evolving job market, focus on developing these essential skills. Don't get left behind by just mastering tools. Instead, combine your technical prowess with these human strengths to ensure long-term success. Start today. Assess your current skills and identify areas for improvement. Embrace career advancement by enhancing the skills that AI simply cannot replicate. That's the real picture. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one. And if you want more videos breaking down AI tools, digital skills, online income, and the future of work in a simple, practical way, stay locked in.